Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids and parents. In this video, we will learn sentences that start from R in English. Let's get started. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. These shoes are too small for me. These shoes are too small for me. The books on the table are mine. The books on the table are mine. We are excited about the trip. We are excited about the trip. You are always so kind. You are always so kind. All the lights are turned off. All the lights are turned off. They are not ready yet. They are not ready yet. The birds are singing in the morning. The birds are singing in the morning. The dogs are barking loudly. The dogs are barking loudly. They are shouting. They are shouting. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.